it's Sunny Beach Live, the channel dedicated to Sunny Beach in Bulgaria, and it's April. We get our t-shirts on, it's warming up. They're getting the beach ready for the summer season. There's a brand new bar on the front. We'll tell you what it's called. Look at this, it looks fantastic. And also another restaurateur is on the move this year. And Dobberden.
Dobberden, everybody. From me, I'm back from my lovely little trip to Gulivers. It was amazing.
Yeah, and it is sunny beach now. The car was just showing 20 degrees on the way down. First time this year in a t-shirt.
Oh yeah, no, look at this. I've raked out my summer top. Yay!
Yeah, weather's turning, finally getting towards the summer when you're coming here on your holidays, of course.
And as we said before, one of the first signs that the beach is getting ready is when they start removing the sand barrier, and they started that a couple of days ago.
Yeah, so we have a clear open beach behind us. You can walk down to the sea. There's actual people swimming in the sea today. That's amazing. What a turnaround from a week or two ago. I did say it was going to warm up though on the last film. It was almost t-shirt, not quite. Today it is t-shirt weather.
Yeah, so it can only get better from now on in, hopefully. Anyway, I'm going to have a paddle, I think, while Andrew does some drone flying and gives you any more information. So I'm going for a paddle, everybody. See you in a minute.
So this is the caterpillar they're actually using to flatten the beach. Okay. Don't work Sundays. Why would you want to work on a Sunday? So I'll be back at work tomorrow morning. Big piece of equipment. Obviously there's a lot of sand to shift and flatten out here. Ready for them raking it and get ready for the sun lounges. There's only like 3 weeks away now. First hotels along here will start to open beginning of May. And if you're enjoying the video and need Disney Bootona, please hit that like button. Helps the video get seen by more people. Thanks a lot. Each year they start clearing the beach at the northern end, right up there at Dolphin Beach. And as we turn south here, they go all the way down to New Nesibar. It's quite a long way. It takes a couple of weeks of work. And here you can see how far the caterpillar has actually got. But look at this. That's people in the sea. It's amazing. We haven't seen this before this year. We'll roll on 2026 season. We've actually got a little excavator ourselves outside our house. Yesterday the guys bought the loader, dropped an excavator off because they're putting in our new driveway tomorrow morning, our new parking area on the inside our gates. So we're going to wake up tomorrow morning to one of these things working in our garden, and the cats won't like that. So we won't have a cat at all tomorrow. I don't like strangers, don't like workmen at all.
Oh wow, this is great when the sun's shining. You can get your shoes off and you can go for a paddle. Next time I'll be swimming, hopefully, but there is some brave people swimming today, look. Isn't that amazing? Oh, that was lovely. Very refreshing indeed.
So behind me is one of the bars you're probably going to be trying on the front this year. It's something new. It's on the front of the Palace Hotel. It's completely refitted this. It absolutely looks amazing. Inside, it's completely finished. All the chairs are there, the posters, pictures, the bar, everything is complete. Just haven't put the sign on. And it's going to be the Drunken Sailor. There you go. So look out for the Drunken Sailor when you're walking along the front this year in Sunny Beach, looking for a refreshing drink. Give it a try in here. And while Susan was having her paddle, dipping her toe in the water, I managed to get the drone up, have a really nice fly around. And when I got here, I noticed I had a route I flew around the Palace Hotel last summer. It's in the memory on the controller on the drone, so I just opened that up and flew it again, and it's really interesting. This is today. As you can see, the Palace Hotel, all empty. And as we fly around it, I can cut into the film I made in the summer. I'll show you what transformation you get. But unfortunately, the only people who are going to enjoy this hotel and this view in the next few weeks are going to be the cleaning staff as they get it ready for the opening, beginning of May. Obviously, flying the pre-programmed route on the drone, I'm heading between the hotels here, and manually trying to do this and record would be quite difficult. I actually used a satellite view looking down at the hotels and the poles to actually plan the route, so I knew where I was going when I was doing this. And there we go, another taste of what it's like in the summer. Just look at that beach, all the lilos, the water sports, it's amazing. And as I pull back away from the hotel, this is really interesting. Obviously, this is last summer. So you'll notice on the bottom left, you'll see the place, the original bar that was there last year. And then you'll see the difference between the sort of canvas temporary roof it had and the brand new Drunken Sailor they've replaced it with. It's quite a contrast.
A lot of people have been asking, where's Rosa going? Apparently she's very popular and in a restaurant. We've never eaten in a restaurant, but a lot of people have. And the question has been, where's she going to be this year? Well, she's going to go here at the Heaven restaurant, directly on the beach. So that's going to be a great location for her. So if you're a fan of Rosa, who used to be at the Marina, then the Breeze, now she's coming to the Heaven, just up from the Fat Cat. So come and find her, everybody.
So I'm standing in front of Gulivers beach bar, which has loads of fake palms. It's really nice. It's lit up fantastic in the evening. Really, really good. There's a bouncy castle, kids stuff. But the thing is, when we get to September and they close, they wrap this up so quickly, put all the boarding round. But if you noticed, all the boarding is numbered. There you go, 21, 22, 23, all the panels. So come a couple of weeks when they want to open it, they strip these off, stack them up. They'll know exactly where they go back and how they fit next year. Makes it amazingly fast, this job of wrapping up the beach bars. So why I say they open in a day or two. This can go from being boarded up to being active. Oh, beanbags out, people chilling out with a nice cocktail. It's not far off now.
Well, behind me, just in the distance there, you can see some tables and chairs being got out of the restaurant at the Lago Hotel. We filmed this last year just as it had opened, because it always opens for Orthodox Easter, which is this coming weekend. So it sounds great because they've got some music playing, just gives you an idea of what's to come with the sun shining, music. Oh, it'd be brilliant, everybody. It won't be long now. It won't be long. Oh, it's exciting today because there's quite a few stall holders preparing, getting ready for the summer season. And can you imagine in a mid-May, which is only about 5 or 6 weeks away, all these shops will be open. It'll have a different feel to it. We're looking forward to doing our shopping video. Last year we did one and we filmed Kiko doing his perfume stall just opposite the Galleria there, near the Grand. So that'll be great. So we're looking forward to doing our shopping video, everybody. Watch out for that in mid-May.
As the summer season is just about upon us, today I've christened a new pair of sunglasses. There you go. People ask, why do you wear sunglasses all the time you're filming? Well, first of all, I'm a bit shy. I don't like people actually seeing me. The real reason is you need eyes in the back of your head, because when there's a lot of people around and vehicles and scooters and all sorts moving around, dogs and there's just so much stuff happening, you've got to be looking not at the camera all the time, but around you, making sure the camera is safe, nobody knocks that over, you don't get hit. So that's why I always wear glasses when I'm filming.
This is one of our favourite stalls here in Sunny Beach. It's the Hatman, Emil. He does these Sunny Beach Life hats. And leading on from what Andrew just said about his glasses, he also wears them glasses and the hat because he's incognito. He likes to think when we take our hats and glasses off, nobody recognises us. When I was in Gulivers last week, a gentleman looked at me a bit strange. Ooh, and then he suddenly said, "You're Susan, aren't you, from Sunny Beach Life?" And I thought nobody would recognise me because I didn't have my hat or my glasses on. But it is a small world here in Bulgaria, and it's great. So if you see us, everybody, here in the summer, do say hello. We always like to say hello to you guys. Well, isn't that amazing? The first restaurant on the front is now open, Marina. We filmed it a couple of weeks ago. It's had a bit of a revamp. So when you're here, give that a go. I love their new sign. That'll show up really nicely when it's dark in the summer.
So we're going to head up Flower Street now because the sun has gone in. A little bit of breeze there, it's getting cooler. I'm only in a t-shirt. So if you look along here, you'll see some of the stall holders that are now opening up on a Sunday. Next weekend's Easter, and really from this point on a weekend anyway, there'll be a number of things open, different shops will be trading, and they won't close until October now, when the season's finally over.
Well, it's been a couple of weeks since we was last down here on Flower Street. They're doing really well with the paths there. They've also got the green areas in the middle, so it won't be long before this is all finished, everybody. Oh, can't wait, really can't wait for some excitement. Won't be long.
So it's been quite a nice little short video this time, just to walk on the front, have a look at the beach, which is finally getting cleared, but it is a Sunday. It means there's not a lot of activities, very few builders and workmen around because obviously we have a day off with the family. Next weekend is Easter, so if we do film at the weekend, there'll be a lot more people around.
Oh yeah, hopefully the next video might be a little bit more exciting than this one, but we're nearly there, everybody. We are nearly there to the season.
Yeah, it's nearly Sunny Beach 2026 summer season. It's almost here. So right, ciao ciao for now.
Ciao ciao from me, everybody.
See you again later.
Bye.
If you want to know what's happening in Sunny Beach all the way through the season in 2026 and possibly beyond, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot.